Let me start my today's talk with a beautiful quote said by Jawaharlal Nehru. He said, "You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women." I felt this quote was apt to start my topic because the status of women depicts the socio-economic, mental, and healthy condition of a nation. Women are getting advancements and success in each and every field like gender equality, educational status, politics, technology, and so on. Women have occupied a dignified position in family and society. But maintaining women's health is still a challenge because she differs from men in many unique ways. There are many health issues women are facing day to day. Let me focus on one health issue women are more affected with. That's breast cancer. October is marked as National Breast Cancer Awareness Month across the world. In view of this awareness program, I, Mrs. Gayatri KV, Associate Professor, Department of Obstetric Nursing, outlines on breast cancer, which helps to increase attention and support for its awareness, early detection, treatment, and reduce the stigma of breast cancer through education. The definition of breast cancer is, it is a disease in which cells in the breast grow out of control. There are different kinds of breast cancer. The kind of breast cancer depends on which cell in the breast turns into cancer. Breast cancer is the most common cancer among women worldwide. There are 20,88,849 new cases of breast cancer worldwide, leading to 6,26,679 deaths. Even in Indian women, it is affecting 14% of population every 4 minutes. One Indian woman is diagnosed with breast cancer, affecting both in rural and urban area. According to 2019 report, 2,68,600 of breast cancer cases are newly registered and approximately 2,670 cases will be diagnosed in men. Approximately 41,760 women and 500 men are expected to die from breast cancer in 2019. In India, breast cancer is diagnosed in later stage of its growth, hence survival rate is less. As per reports, Kerala stands first in the rate of breast cancer, followed by Mizoram, Haryana, Delhi, and Karnataka. Mizoram accounted for the highest cancer death rates in the country, followed by Kerala and Haryana. 30 to 50 years age is considered as risk, but 50 to 64 years are at peak for getting breast cancer. 1 in 28 women are prone to get breast cancer in her lifetime. Methods of detection of breast cancer are as follows: breast self-examination, clinical breast examination, mammogram, breast magnetic resonance imaging, positron emission mammography, needle biopsy. One should examine themselves regularly, that is preferably monthly, and especially after their monthly period is over, because one is less likely to be bloated or swollen during this period. However, for women who have already gone through menopause, they should set a particular date on the calendar for breast self-examination. Steps in breast self-examination includes total 5 steps. In that, first step includes face the mirror with your hand over the hips for symmetry. Look for skin changes, lumps, changes in the black area around the nipples, which is known as areola. Breast self-examination signs that you will find out while you are examining are a lump or swelling in the breast, upper chest or armpit, a change in the skin such as puckering or dimpling, a change in the color of the breast may look red or inflamed, a nipple change, for example, it has become pulled in or inverted, rash or crusting around the nipple, unusual liquid discharge from either nipple, changes in size or shape of the breast, pain in your breast or armpit that's there all or almost all the time. So these are the signs in the first stage or first step. Second step includes Raise your arms and with your fingers feel for lumps around your breast. Make sure that the entire extent of the breast is examined from the armpit area towards the breast and inwards until the midline or both sides. Examine the entire depth from the front to the back of the breast skin. Step 3. While you're at the mirror, look for any signs of fluid coming out of one or both nipples. This could be a watery, milky, or yellow fluid or blood. Step 4 includes feel your breast while lying down, using your right hand to feel your left breast and then your left hand to feel your right breast. Use a firm, smooth touch with the first few finger pads of your hand. Keeping the fingers flat and together, use a circular motion about the size of a quarter. Cover the entire breast from top to bottom, side to side, from your collarbone to the top of your abdomen, and from your armpit to your cleavage. And finally, step 5, feel your breast while you are standing or sitting. Cover your entire breast using the same hand movement as described in step 4. So what do you do if you detect a lump? Don't get panic or do not hesitate for consulting the gynecologist if any of the above signs has been found. Treatment of the breast cancer include surgical treatment, chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So at the end, I would like to say that the key to finding breast cancer is early detection, and the key to early detection is screening, that is by breast self-examination. And to conclude with, prevention is a step away from cure. So be aware and be prepared. Thank you.